Each letter makes a sound. The special letters in yellow make two sounds. A makes two sounds. They are A and A. A, A.
A, A.
B, B.
B, B.
C, K, K. D, D. When you put the sounds of the letters together, you can form words. A, P, P, L, E. Let's sound out the letters. A, P, apple. Apple.
A, apple.
A makes the A sound. D, O, G. Let's sound out the letters. D, O, G. Dog. Dog.
D makes the D sound. D's for dog. Oh, puppy.
Oh, puppy.
It's almost it on.
Yeah.
It's almost done touching.
Gentle.
Mommy, I want to make a
G, O. Let's sound out the letters. G, O. Go. Go.
G makes the G sound. Get ready, get set, go. Mom?
Go. Go.
No.
Okay. And you're back.
I'm back. Get ready, get set, go.
So get ready.
Get set, go.
Yeah. H, O, R, S, E. Let's sound out the letters. R, S. Horse. Horse. Go ahead.
H makes the sound.
Good job. And
Now let's do it up here.
okay.
Bigger.
Can you say H
H.
makes the H sound?
H. Oh, look how fast the bird is.
W, E, T. Let's sound out the letters. W, E, T. W, E, T. Wet.
W makes the W sound. W is for wet.
Yeah. What's in the water?
Boats.
Yeah, and your boats are wet.
And my boats are red.
Z, I, P, P, E, R. Let's sound out the letters. Z, I, P, P, I, R. Z, I, R. Zipper.
Z makes the sound.
Z makes the Z sound.
Z makes the Z sound. Zipper!
Z is for zipper. Whoa! You're silly.